G'day everyone, it's Curtis here and welcome to an On The Back Wheel video. Today I'm going to talk about how the new KLR650 performs when you remove that cheeky Airbox snorkel. I have to say, it sounds fantastic. You hear that induction sound? That was non-existent before I took the snorkel out. There we go. Just flat out. So it sounds quite good when you're riding the bike. So the bike definitely sounds better. Is the performance changed, namely improved? I believe the bike is slightly snappier with the Airbox snorkel out. So yes, it has improved. Is it a major difference? No, not a big difference. Butt dyno is very similar, just it's a little bit more snap there. So if I want to like just lighten up a bit, it's definitely just a little bit more pull in the mid-range. Is the fueling any different? Well, when you're riding like this, it's better if anything. It's that little bit snappier, but. It's a little bit snappier. At idle, it may be a little bit leaner. So you can see there, no stumbling off idle or off bottom there, and it comes straight back down to idle, no problems at all. Okay, let's see if there's any difference in starting. It's hard to say, maybe a tiny difference. Overall though, I'd say it is extremely similar. So we better talk about warranty and how removing it affects that. I spoke to Kawasaki and the guys there said that it shouldn't have any issues at all. They said the only time you would have an issue is if you have a problem and it's directly related to the snorkel being removed. How would they check that? Oh, there's so many ways they couldn't, I suppose. And honestly, this mod has been done forever on KLR650s, just not on EFI bikes. To me, there doesn't seem to be so much an issue where you can tell that it's incredibly lean and you'd be going, oh fuck, I better not do that. It seems that the ECU is very slightly compensating, or it might have even been a little bit fat to begin with. Hey, if you want to be dodgy like me, if your bike does hand grenade, just put the snorkel back in. So is the Airbox snorkel mod worth it? Honestly, it's personal preference, but my preference is it is 1000% worth doing. It makes me enjoy riding the KLR more, and what bigger endorsement can you get than that? It makes the bike sound better, and it gives it a little bit more snap, and that's exactly what I was looking for. And if you're going to do your exhaust as well and give it a tune, it is an absolute no-brainer, because you're getting more air in, more out, a little bit more fuel, change your timing or whatever, more performance. And when you got 40 horsepower, 3 or 4 more horsepower is a big jump and very noticeable. Alright, any questions? Put it down in the comments below. Also make sure you check out my Airbox snorkel mod video. I'll put the link up for that too. Alright people, look at this brilliant view here. How bloody good is adventure bike riding? And I'm on one of the best. Fantastic. Alright, keep it on back wheel everyone. Catches.